The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement officials reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. 2 to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Greensburg, Jeanette, Latrobe, Mount Pleasant, Scottsdale, Irwin, Neskesnetown, Loyalhanna, Manor, Ewanwood, Derry, Lawson Heights, and New Stanton. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 inches, Pennsylvania between mile markers 52 and 57, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 64 and 89. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the NWS Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Precautionary preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles,